we proposed 3 different steps. First, we tried to explain to the local public how to renovate the old buildings. Then we had a public meeting and consulting opportunities. And then now in this 3rd step, we would like to focus on one project only. And we think that, especially if you look at that picture, the Palais Herbersdorf is an excellent opportunity to show what is feasible. For example, we could use the roof here with solar panels, for example, which are integrated in the roof with a new technology. And we could also improve the used space. A lot of space is here empty, and could therefore find a new, better energetic solution and a new use for this old building in Bad Radkersburg. But they're looking for mainly housing opportunities for younger people, because your first apartment, small, some square meters for you and your boyfriend and so on. So I think we should go in that direction. And the other thing, as you said, could be tourism use and the opportunity to have small rentable apartments.
Some efficient use of space.
Exactly. So then our next step will be to take these floor plans and to develop some opportunities.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, okay. Stop.
Zvijezda is an important cultural heritage site of Karlovac and an irreplaceable element of its identity that needs to be preserved, restored, and used for general socio-economical development in order to create a living historical built area. A specific problem is to find a way how to adjust maintenance measures and improve sustainable management of cultural heritage. The buildings are in very poor condition and are not well maintained, while the residents are mostly elderly and not interested in reconstruction. And this is why the city administration participates in projects that help develop tools and raise awareness of stakeholders. City of Karlovac uses available and free IT tool based on BIM technology that is able to track default attributes on concrete buildings on a web-free accessible platform. Goal of the implemented IT tool is to assist in making decisions when using and maintaining buildings and for future investment projects in Karlovac city. Develop IT tool provide an overview of 3D BIM models and databases that will be integrated into the existing GIS platform of the city of Karlovac. Pilot building for testing IT tool is City Hall building, and developed IT tool is applicable to buildings in HBA and has the ability to update models and databases for future needs of tracking conditions in historic built areas.
The project opened a possibility to improve engagement of local stakeholders and community, to develop the management strategy for the historically built area of Zvijezda that would assess functional compliance of historical value, planned purpose and usage of historical buildings by enhancing efficient energy use in order to reduce maintenance measures and improve sustainable evaluation of cultural heritage.
The historic center of Mikulov was declared an urban conservation area already in 1952. This was due to the unique location of the city and its architectural quality. Regarding the protection, the regeneration of the urban conservation area is more complicated than the revitalization of ordinary city districts. A major challenge in the area of city development is the new use of the so-called National House. The city bought the National House from a private owner. Now they look for the money to regenerate this building according to sustainable standards. The representatives of the city of Mykolaiv are happy to be involved in Bhenefit project because it may offer practical applications in the management of historic urban buildings.
In the target area of Sublodge 05 Regional Development Association of Municipalities includes 44 municipalities and their built heritage. Although they intensively cooperate in various issues, the management, preservation, and development of HBA happen rather separately. Sometimes the municipalities cooperate with each other. However, their historical and cultural assets could complement each other efficiently as parts of a common tourism destination. The project practically contributes to the effective design, sustainable enhancement, and conservation of the HBA in our region. The common strategy, as well as the professional network of authorities, institutions, professionals, and communities can be identified as key results of the Bhenefit project so far. They see the local tasks related to heritage protection and management and are able to coordinate their work to protect the local heritage and play a positive role in the life of local communities.
Il Comune di Mantova fa parte del progetto Bhenefit e sta lavorando sul progetto pilota che riguarda la piattaforma GIS. Il Comune di Mantova usa da parecchio tempo, da un decennio, la strumentazione GIS, ma in questo caso abbiamo avuto la possibilità di approfondire tematiche all'interno del centro storico, intersecando dati tecnici di verifica dello spazio costruito del centro storico patrimonio dell'umanità e farlo interagire in qualche modo con il coinvolgimento dei cittadini. La piattaforma infatti ci consente di far accedere direttamente i cittadini per rispondere ad una serie di quesiti che abbiamo in parte preparato, in parte a risposte libere, per raccogliere una serie di dati e capire qual è la percezione rispetto al tema della rigenerazione, che è il progetto che abbiamo sviluppato in Bhenefit. Quindi abbiamo da un lato un rilievo tecnico che verifica lo stato di conservazione del patrimonio edilizio e gli usi del patrimonio edilizio del centro storico e dall'altro invece la restituzione di quella che è la percezione delle necessità di rigenerazione dei cittadini. Quello che emerge è da un lato che non sempre c'è una corrispondenza diretta tra le due conclusioni, quindi tecnica e la percezione dei cittadini, dall'altro emerge però un dato interessante che non avevamo previsto che uscisse, che è la rispondenza in qualche modo agli interventi e le politiche che sta attuando l'amministrazione rispetto alle percezioni di degrado della città.
Well, today's urban walk was about learning of the medieval regulation and the meaning and the reason of the regulation. And we were talking about the challenges of today and how to achieve the goals that we want to due to the energy consumption and the preservation of the historical values.
To face one of challenges for the city management, which is the climate change, without having proper data is today not possible. The use of geographical information system in combination with the data collection on the historical built areas in the city of Poprad contributed to creating a useful tool which offers comprehensive and complex view on the problem of overheating of the territory of the historical core of the city of Poprad. This tool enabled mapping the temperatures in the summer and in the winter, particularly in the historical areas in Poprad, regarding also the physical structure, and this allows to improve the decision making on the mitigation measures, eliminating not only the negative effects of the climate change, but as well optimizing the energy management in the historical core of Poprad city.
During the project, Urban Planning Institute of the Republic of Slovenia considered some tools for efficient management of the pilot area in Idrija. These tools demonstrated how modern technology can really improve management, improve overview of the building state, encourage concrete discussions, and enable simulations and analysis. Geographic information system and historical building information modeling really can improve management of historical building areas. They can improve communication, and in this way all stakeholders can really be involved in a productive, stimulative way regarding technical, budget, but also important social aspects of development.